Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the biggest shifts Apple has made in smartphone technology, the move toward eSIM-only iPhones. No SIM tray, no tiny plastic card, just pure digital connectivity. We'll talk about which iPhones are already eSIM-only, how it affects users worldwide, and whether eSIMs actually work in countries like Pakistan. Let's get started. eSIM stands for Embedded SIM. It's a small chip built right into your phone that stores your carrier details digitally. No need for a removable SIM card. With eSIM, you can set up or switch carriers instantly using a QR code. It's faster, cleaner, and built for the future of mobile connectivity. Apple began the eSIM transition with the iPhone 14 in 2022, launching eSIM-only models in the US. The iPhone 15 and 16 followed the same trend, but in most global markets, Apple still included a physical SIM tray. Now, with the iPhone 17 series, Apple is taking the next big step, and the world is getting ready for a fully eSIM future. In 2025, Apple launched the iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Pro, and iPhone 17 Air. Here's the breakdown. The iPhone 17 Air is Apple's first globally eSIM-only model. There's no SIM slot at all. The iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max are eSIM only in markets like the US, Canada, UK, and Australia. In Asia, Africa, and South America, hybrid models still exist, but Apple plans to phase out physical SIM trays completely within the next generation or two. Now, if you're watching this from Pakistan, here's the good news. Yes, eSIM is available. Major telecom providers like Jazz, Ufone, and Zong already support eSIM technology for compatible iPhones and Samsung models. You can visit their nearest service centers to activate your eSIM. They'll scan a QR code that instantly connects your phone to the network. However, not all smaller carriers support eSIM yet, and availability may differ between cities. So, always check with your provider before buying an eSIM-only iPhone like the 17 Air. With eSIM, setup is fast and flexible. Travel easily, activate a local plan in seconds, use dual numbers, personal and business, on one device. But be careful, if your carrier doesn't support eSIM yet, you might face connection issues. So for Pakistani users, eSIM is great news, but make sure your telecom provider supports it before you upgrade. Pros: no physical SIM tray, sleeker design and better waterproofing, instant carrier switching, more secure and eco-friendly. Cons: some regions still catching up on carrier support, harder to swap phones instantly if one breaks. Apple's long-term goal is clear: a portless, cardless, fully digital iPhone experience. By the time the iPhone 18 arrives, we might see eSIM-only models globally, including in markets like Pakistan. So, what do you think? Is Apple moving too fast, or is this the future we've been waiting for? Would you buy an eSIM-only iPhone in Pakistan? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech updates every week. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.